Hello, it's Miss Hake back with another Minds On. How fun was that Play-Doh warm-up? Oh, I just love it. I just love warming up my fingers and all of my hands and getting ready. So we are going to get our name tags. I have mine over here. See, Miss Hake. Put your name tag in front of you or your name, and we are going to try and make our name out of Play-Doh. So I notice that I have two long sticks. We're talking about this H here and one across. So I am going to make some snakes. So it's really cool to roll out the Play-Doh in your hands to make snakes. And this will help make your letters. So you can roll it on the table. So I know I want two long snakes and one short snake for my H. So I'm going to roll it really long. Boop, 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 boop. And from this long snake, I'm going to make my H. So I need two long. Oh, I'm going to keep going. Two long and one short. So I'm wondering, what can I use to cut my snake? I have my paintbrush here. Do you think my end will cut it? Too long. Oh, yeah, it sure did. Look, one piece, too long, and one short. I don't know if that's short, so I'm going to cut that one a little bit more shorter to make my H. Okay, ready? Here we go. Here it goes. One long. Whoop. We're going to come way back here. One long, and one short. Do you see my H? Look at that. Now I know I have to make an A. Looks like a loop and a line. So I'm going to need, maybe I can keep this little piece for my line, but I'm going to need to make a loop. Well, how do I make a loop? Well, that's easy enough. I am just going to roll out another snake, just like this. Boop, 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 boop. And I'm going to make a circle. Look at that. I connected it. Do you see the circle? Then I'm going to attach it. H-A. Were you looking at this upside down? I will turn it around. There's my H. Look at that. And there's my A. Now I need an I, but it's a little I with a dot on top. So that's easy enough. I'm just going to roll out another snake. There's my I, and I'm going to take the top. Look at that, and I'm going to make a wee little ball. How is it looking? H-A-I. And now, look at this. I need a C. So I need a curvy line. No problem. Snake it up. And I'm going to take it, and I'm going to curve it. Oh my goodness. And now I'm at my K. How many straight lines do I need? One long one and two little short ones. Easy enough. So I'm going to make my one long one. This is kind of fun. One long one. Okay, so then I need two little short ones. I'm going to take more Play-Doh, and I'm going to roll it. And I'm going to look at my name tag. I know it goes right about there. I'm so excited. And then the next one goes right about, I need it to be a little longer. Keep rolling. Right there. How did I do? H-A-I-C-K. Miss Hake. I did it. All right. Have fun creating your name with Play-Doh. Cannot wait. See you next time. Bye.